Hi there, I'm Emily. I'm a CPST, and I want to address a really common concern that many parents have when they turn their child forward facing. The concern, if you look down here, is this gap behind the child's lower back between the car seat and the vehicle seat. Is that okay? Here's a better view of that gap in case you're confused about what I'm talking about. The short answer is yes, that is generally fine. If you are noticing that gap, check these few things to make sure that you're good to go. Number one, make sure that your seat is adjusted to an appropriate forward-facing recline following the manual. Don't leave it on one of the rear-facing settings. Number two is make sure the bottom of the seat is flat on the vehicle seat cushion. You don't want this back end to be hovering above the seat. 3 is make sure you are within the overhang limit set by your car seat's manufacturer. That does vary from seat to seat. There might be a sticker on the seat itself that shows you the overhang limit. There might be a certain number of inches, or it may follow an 80-20 rule where 80% of the seat needs to be on the vehicle seat and 20% can overhang. It really depends on your seat. So check your recline setting, make sure the bottom of the seat is sitting flat on the vehicle seat, make sure you're within the overhang limits, and the last thing to check is your movement. Use the force of a firm handshake and only check the movement at the belt path, where the latch belt or the seat belt goes through it. Look for less than 1 inch of movement side to side and front to back. So we're checking that movement here, not at the head and not at the front or the cup holders. You are naturally going to have more movement at the top and at the front than you will at the belt path. So if all that's good, we're on an appropriate recline, the bottom of the seat is flat on the vehicle seat, we're within the overhang limit, and we have less than 1 inch of movement at the belt path, the gap behind the lower back here is just fine. It's just due to the way the seat is shaped compared with the vehicle seat. I hope that information helps somebody out and puts some minds at ease today. Always read and follow your car seat and vehicle owner's manuals and get help from a CPST if you have questions.